your legs, and you might feel a little bit, woo, dizzy. Woo, dizzy. Woo. Okay, so you gotta keep moving. Nice and easy with your legs. Gradually let your heart rate go down. Now we're gonna go into some more work for the legs, which is some lunges. Jose's gonna do it with dumbbells. We're gonna do it with the body bar. So make sure you're good lifting technique.
On my body bar here.
Yeah, there's little bugs around here. Mangy body bars. Here we go. Stepping forward, alternate legs, and change. So the body bar is another great tool you can use, and these are great. Mine is, I think, 18 pounds? I think Shelly's is 9 pounds. Jose's got some dumbbells. So the body bar is great. It's another alternative, another thing you can get for your home. It's nice and padded, because a lot of times, you know, you go into the gymnasium, and you've got those big metal bars, kind of rough. They don't feel too good on the back of your neck. But the body bar is nice and cushioned. Comfortable. It's comfortable lunging. That's what's important. Got to work hard, at the same time be comfortable. Right?
Right, right.
Here we go. Down, push up. Make sure you step out into the heel, so it goes heel-toe every time you step out. And take a peek down. Make sure that knee is right above your ankle. 4 more. Up tall. 3 more. Up tall. The bar's sort of just resting right below your neck on the trapezius. And let's just put that body bar down. Let's do some work now for the lower traps. Really important. Let's move the chairs right in here. Right in.
Right in.
We're just going to take our hands on the chair. And we're going to move our rear end off. We're going to go down slowly and up. The arms are straight. Again, down slowly and up. Okay, let's go on the beat, all right? Go down, go up. Let's keep going here. So what you want to do is like lose your neck and then really lengthen between the ears and the shoulders. So we're working the muscles in the lower trapezius, right below your shoulder blades.